Want to add a drop shadow to your Canva frame? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to add a drop shadow to a Canva frame on PC. Now let's get started.
So you may already know that in Canva it's super easy to add a shadow to photos and graphics. All you have to do is select your element on the canvas, head over to the edit option, choose shadows under effects and pick the shadow you like. Boom, you're done. But let's try to do this using a frame like this one. Just like before, try to do the same thing with a frame and you might notice something weird. Instead of applying the shadow to the frame itself, Canva still tries to add it to the image inside the frame. Annoying, right? Don't worry. There are actually two ways to solve this. You can go to Share, then go to the Download section and download the image with a transparent background and re-upload it into Canva, or even better, use Canva's internal app to do this. Go to the app menu in the left sidebar. Now search for Asset Sync. Click on the app, then click Open and finally click on Convert to Image. Now you will see a menu similar to the download menu. Select the file type as PNG, turn on transparent background and select your page. After that, click Export. Delete the frame from the canvas and click on Add to Current Page. Now resize your image according to your needs. Try to add the drop shadow again and that's it. Now the shadow feature works perfectly because your frame is no longer a frame, it's just an image. Alright, that's it. Now you know how to add shadows to frames in Canva. No more frustration, just clean professional looking designs.